The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a chain of emerald islands scattered in the Bay of Bengal, are home to a unique diversity of flora and fauna. Pristine beaches, vibrant coral reefs, Aboriginal tribes, and a unique blend of cultures. The islands receive very high rainfall of more than 3,000 millimeters from both southwest and northeast monsoons. Enclosed in this idyllic surface lies an institute providing a yeoman's service to the nation. Welcome to the ICAR-Central Island Agricultural Research Institute. The institute has been at the forefront of agricultural research, education and extension services. It is a place where innovation and dedication to work come together to shape the future of agriculture. Central Island Agricultural Research Institute, which was earlier known as Central Agricultural Research Institute, was established on 23rd of June 1978 by merging different regional research stations of the ICAR institutes at Sri Vijayapuram, which was earlier known as Port Blair. 1st April 2017, the regional station of CP-CRI at Minicoy, Lakshadweep Islands was merged with this institute. The institute has 4 research farms and 1 regional station. Garacharma Farm, where work on horticulture, animal sciences and freshwater fisheries is carried out. Sippi Ghat Farm, where research work on horticulture crops is carried out. Bloomsdale Farm is used for research works of natural resource management and field crops divisions. Marine Hill Research Laboratory has a seafront hatchery facility and a fisheries informatics lab, and regional station at Minicoy, Lakshadweep Islands.
Islands are the hotspot of the biodiversity, due to which they are most productive, sensitive as well as fragile ecosystem. Climate change, sea level rise as well as disasters are experienced frequently in these areas. Agriculture, animal husbandry and fisheries are the major occupations along with the tourism in island areas. ICAR-Central Island Agriculture Institute works with the mandate of providing decent livelihood as well as increase the income of the farmers by using modern agricultural technologies.
ICAR-Central Island Agricultural Research Institute is a premier research institute fully committed to working on plantation-based cropping systems, crop improvement studies, water management and conservation, livestock production, fisheries resource management, aquaculture production, and management of the coastal ecosystems. The research work is being conducted under 4 divisions: horticulture and crop improvement, natural resource management, animal science, and fisheries science. The institute is preserving and sustainably utilizing the native biodiversity of agricultural and horticultural crops. The institute collects germplasm from various islands and analyzes their potential for future use. The institute has established conservation blocks to safeguard these genetic resources. The institute has a World Coconut Germplasm Center dedicated to preserving coconut genetic diversity. The WCGC has 24 exotic coconut accessions from tropical island nations and 6 indigenous accessions from the Nicobar Islands. These valuable resources have been instrumental in developing superior coconut cultivars. The improved variety Samruddhi of areca nut developed at the institute is one of the most popular areca nut varieties among the island farmers. Through meticulous bioprospection studies, the institute has identified germplasm with potential applications in food, colorants, medicine and root stocks. The extensive breeding programs have culminated in the successful development of several superior crop varieties. Superior genotypes of cinnamon, Tejpatta, clove and Andaman kokum have also been identified. To boost the income of island farmers, it has pioneered protected cultivation technologies for key crops. The Institute's Horticultural Plants Propagation Unit is a premier center for producing planting material for valuable horticultural crops, especially underutilized fruits and spices. The Institute has a state-of-the-art plant tissue culture lab dedicated to developing micro-propagation protocols for valuable plant species. The Horticultural Quality Analysis Lab offers comprehensive analytical services to various stakeholders. The Institute's research farms in Sipighat and Garacharma have been transformed into serene agrotourism havens. The Institute's Nakshatra Garden, inspired by astrology, showcases a diverse array of plants and trees connected to the zodiac signs and stars. Visitors can also explore the Institute's herbal garden, spice garden, underutilized fruits garden, fancy birds, fish spa, ornamental fish unit, butterfly collection and museum. The Institute conducts research on developing new crop varieties that are resistant to pests, diseases and salt and suitable for the island's unique climate and soil conditions. This includes salt-tolerant rice varieties and high-yielding vegetables. The Institute has also registered several unique germplasms of crop plants at the national level. The Institute is dedicated to enhancing the health, productivity and genetic diversity of livestock including pigs, goats and poultry. The Institute develops new breeds and provides veterinary care. It has characterized, documented and conserved valuable livestock and poultry germplasm. These efforts have helped in creating awareness among the island farmers about these valuable genetic resources. The Institute has also developed a modern goat shed with slated flooring for island conditions. The Institute conducts research on capture and culture fisheries, including brackish water and freshwater aquaculture. They also work on conserving and managing fish stocks sustainably. At the Marine Hill Research Laboratory, the Institute has a mud crab fattening unit, in which vertically arranged plastic boxes are kept for the fattening of the new molted water crabs to hard-shelled crabs. The Institute also has a biofloc fish culture system where the fin fishes and shellfishes can be cultured in high stocking density with less space and water than the conventional pond aquaculture system. The Marine Hill Research Laboratory also has a marine ornamental fish unit that displays reef fishes and invertebrates of the Andaman Islands. In order to encourage the feed-based aquaculture practices, a fish feed production unit is functional with a production capacity of 100 kg of feed per hour. The Institute has developed innovative climate-smart integrated farming systems that sustainably enhance income and optimize resource utilization. A crop livestock mixed farming model has proven highly effective in increasing farm productivity, generating significant income and creating sustainable employment opportunities. The Institute's mini incubator technology has revolutionized rural poultry production. By adopting this innovative technology, numerous farmers have successfully established their own mini incubator facilities, launching their own poultry farms and generating income by selling ducklings and chicks. The institute has made conscious efforts in the upliftment of native tribal farmers of the islands through skill development trainings, demonstrations, exposure visits, and by providing inputs such as planting material, agro inputs, and drudgery reducing devices. Stakeholders associated with the institute have been recognized at the national level as well. Padma Shri awardee Srimati Chellamalji has a decades-long association with the institute's activities. The Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority has conferred the Plant Genome Savior Community Award was given to the Karen community of North and Middle Andaman for traditional rice varieties and the Tribal Council Car Nicobar for Nicobari Alu. Chinta Mango of Sri Chinta Haran Biswas has also been registered with PPVFRA. The institute has set up KVKS, which are district-level agricultural training centers that provide farmers with practical knowledge and skills. The 3 KVKs under the institute catering to the agricultural technology needs are KVK Sippighat South Andaman, KVK Nimbudera North and Middle Andaman, and KVK Car Nicobar. The institute offers training and extension programs to help farmers and fishermen adopt modern agricultural practices. The institute conducts demonstrations and field trials to showcase new technologies and encourage their adoption. Many farmers have now opened their facilities after completion of training. The institute also provides technical assistance and advisory services to farmers through fairs, mailers, and exhibitions, enabling them to optimize their production and increase their income. Through the Grameen Krishi Mausam Seva, the institute regularly provides agro-meteorological advisory services to the farmers. These advisories integrate climate, weather, soil, and crop information with weather forecasts to support day-to-day agricultural decisions, especially during adverse weather conditions. The institute actively collaborates with national and international institutions, government agencies, and farmers' organizations, and also undertakes academic exchange with agricultural universities. The institute library has a vast collection of rare and important books, and it also has a dedicated section on literature on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The institute has successfully implemented various water resource development initiatives, including check dams, ponds, lime tanks, and rainwater harvesting systems. These efforts have significantly reduced the institute's reliance on municipal water supply, making it self-sufficient in water resource management and utilization. Similarly, adoption of solar energy in the office buildings has significantly reduced the institute's reliance on external supply. Institute's Dweep Sale Point has proven to be a successful initiative in providing a one-stop shop for all farm products. This has significantly boosted the institute's revenue generation. For smooth operations, the institute has several central facilities. These include the Central Instrumentation Facility, Agriculture Knowledge Management Unit, Priority Setting Monitoring and Evaluation Cell, ITMU, and PG Cell. The institute has a strong portfolio of patented technologies, showcasing its commitment to innovative research and development. The institute has successfully commercialized several of these technologies, bringing real benefits to farmers and the agricultural community. The institute has a proven track record of developing and certifying high-quality, reliable agricultural technologies.
Use of proper agromet advisories, judicial use of natural resources, developing an integrated farming system model with horticulture base and livestock and cash crops like spices as the component is the only key for improving income of the island farmers. Institute is working as well as having future plans for using biodiversity, making use of identified and evaluated germplasm for commercial use, and developing a climate smart agriculture model.
The efforts of the institute and its staff have been well appreciated at different scientific platforms, and several prestigious regional, national and international awards have been conferred upon the institute as well as scientists here. The institute envisions continuing its dedicated service to the island stakeholders by developing climate-resilient varieties and innovative technologies to enhance productivity and profitability, thereby achieving self-sufficiency and ensuring a decent livelihood for the island farmers.